When you are ready to preview or present your Google Slides, go to the upper right-hand corner and click Present. These arrows, the left arrow and the right arrow, allow you to move between slides back and forth. This play arrow allows you to play or resume the slideshow. You can click this arrow here to move to a specific slide. You can click the Q&A to open up another box, and this is where you can start a new question and answer section for the audience, and you can also view your speaker notes. You can view your notes here as well. A new window will pop out where you can view your notes. You can also enable the pointer. Okay. You can enable or disable captions. You can enter full screen or exit full screen mode with this tab. You can view more options with this wheel, and then you can exit here.